All right, Mr. Gatekeeper. Here we got a small little Texas Star Modulator Plus. We work on them all over here, even down to the tiniest. And basically, I tell y'all what, I'm just gonna be 100 with you, as they say. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you, fellas. Sometimes the littlest fellas will give you the most trouble. If you're a builder, I'm sure a builder or repairman of technological RF equipment, I'm sure you feel my grief here, my anger, and understand and agree that sometimes the tiniest of the boxes will give you the most trouble. And this one sure did. It actually got on my nerves quite a bit, to the point to where I just stripped it down and rebuilt a one pill my way. I don't do that a lot with Texas Stars, but when you get down to a Texas Star Mod V, it's just a simple old Class C circuit. That's all it is. Done their way, which works most of the time, majority of the time. So here's the remnants of most of the parts, not all of them. Some of them's found their way in this bag already. But one of the issues I did see was the output transformers inductance was way, way off from the input, which is fine. That's not the issue. The main issue is it's off from where it needs to be. Not that it's off from the input, but it's off from what it needs to be. And what I did from the beginning is, this is one of them weird Mod Vs that you get, and it's not configured as a normal modern Mod V. It just isn't. It was set up more like it's supposed to have a 2072 in it or something like that, a Motorola style, like the older versions of the modulator grandees, and all that type of stuff. So what I did is I went ahead and switched the whole circuit. It's a waste of time, but I did. And that's why you're going to see this brand new cap right here. So I still got a lot of OEM Texas Star parts. People are always asking me to sell them to them, but it's hard to do that when I don't know if I'll ever get any ever again. I've been begging. Well, we won't get into that. But, yeah. Like, that's the output of 230 of a normal modulator. It's a brand new cap. I'm going to have to put that back in the bag because it just did not work. It wasn't that's what I'm saying. It's a combination of a couple of things that just about got me fed up. So I was like, you know what? Let's make this thing work the way I know it's going to work. So that's what we did. We also, it got down to the point where I was like, the only thing else it could be is the transistor, so I removed the transistor. I tell you what, man, the main thing is it's working now. We got two brand new 61 core half-inch transformers in here. Completely stripped it, man. Completely stripped it. These are the two input caps that was on there. They had seen better days anyway. So we got it tuned. There's the input tuning cap. The output I've got right here is just a lot easier to solder it right there than trying to get it back here. Don't really matter where you put that. This is new. This is new. I took that off, replaced it with a Teflon wire. Couldn't really fit four. I could have maybe fit another one in between there, but this is working. I've tested. I mean, that's what's on normal Texas Stars anyway. I felt it really good. It's staying good and cool. And rewrapped it 5 and 2, and she's a working. She is a working. We're on the 500 watt slug. So that means we're looking at the middle. I'm gonna turn the box on. Going a little too ahead of myself. Oh, so she's right there doing 100 watts like she needs to be doing with a single 2290. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hardly no input. Now watch this. I'm going to press that in, which engages 270 ohm resistor to ground. We already got that 150 to ground. It's always in there. Now look at the input to oh, completely took it out. Oh, yeah. And look at this. Oh, still doing 100 watts. So yeah, that 270 don't do a whole lot. If you really wanted a true high-low, I'd take that 270 out, put probably 100 or 75 in. That'd give you a good real low if you needed one. But I'm just going to keep it the way it is. This cat and pickers working. The Gatekeeper said it. 100 to 110 watts with a 3-watt RMS radio. And by the way, it's not doing, man, that's 1,000 watts slow. It's doing like 20, 30 bird. Ooh, doesn't move it a lot. It'll make a good driver for you, bud. The input tune is tuned to perfection. The old Gatekeeper said it. Quick video, y'all, not making a long one. We got to get into another project. You know how it goes. 73, y'all. God bless. I'm glad to get this one off the bench. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm out.